Hi there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can use this WhatsApp audio transcriber extension. So what you need to do, you just need to install this extension. Okay, once you have installed the extension, what you can do, you can just open the WhatsApp in new tab. And now I will obviously show you how you can use this extension. Okay, so you can open any contact, like I have opened this specific contact here. And if I show you, this is the contact. And now what we can do here, you can see there are multiple voice messages. So actually there are two types of voice messages, the incoming and the outgoing. Okay, so this is the incoming voice message that the other contact has sent to me, and this is my voice message that I have sent to other person. So suppose that if I want to listen this voice message, I need to click on this play button and I need to hear or listen this complete message. But there is a magic, like you can click on this icon that is provided by this extension here. So if you click on this icon, it will provide you the complete
Walaikum salam.
transcript of this extension. Okay, so now it is saying it is transcribing the audio file here. Okay, so we can just wait for it. Okay, so we can wait for it, and now it will show us the complete audio transcript of this specific voice message. So you can see here it is mentioned in Urdu. You can click on copy button and it will be copied. So this is exactly the same transcript that is explained in this voice message. There's no need to listen this complete message. There's no need to listen this message again and again. You can just copy and you can view the transcript. Okay, now there's one more thing. So suppose that if you don't know, like if you don't know this specific language, okay, so suppose that this person has sent you this specific voice message in maybe Spanish or maybe in Arabic or maybe in France, so you want to translate that into English. So what you can do, you can click on the extension icon again like this, and now you can choose the original language. So by default it is original language, like whatever the language of the voice message is, it will translate to that language. But now you can obviously translate it into English or maybe something that you want, obviously. Okay, so you can also add your own language if your language is not supported here. So after that you can just click on save button. Now setting would be saved, and now what we can do, we can translate any other message, like maybe this one, okay, or maybe this one. So let's do another test here. Now it will translate it into another language, that is English.
यार जोहेब
Okay, let's wait for it, and we will see the text in the English language. Okay, it is processing, and you can see there now it is in the English language. Okay, so this is how easy to transcribe any voice message into any language, and you can easily do it with this Chrome extension. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and obviously you can also transcribe your own voice messages by clicking on this icon. So that is also the feature of this extension. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, you can install the extension. So what you need to do, you can see here it is working very well. So to install this extension, you can go to the Chrome Web Store and you can search for WhatsApp audio transcriber. Okay, you have to search for it, and this extension will be there. You have to click over it, and you can click on add to Chrome, and it would be in your Chrome. After installing the extension, what you can do, you can open the web store like WhatsApp web, and after that you can click on this icon here, and then you can click on extension icon. Okay, and here you have to save your OpenAI API key. If you don't know how to get your OpenAI API key, you can search it on YouTube or something, or maybe Google. You can easily get your OpenAI API key, and after saving your OpenAI API key, you can define which language you want to translate this message to. Okay, by default it is set original language, so it will translate the message into original language. Okay, but if you want to translate it into any other language, you can also select that. So that is how easy you can use this extension. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can get further updates on the tools like I have shown you today. Thank you. Have a good day.